Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create digital invitations to sell on Etsy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, Etsy allows you to sell a lot of different types of product, and one of these products are some digital invitations that you could buy and use for any event. It could be for birthdays, weddings, even funerals. You could sell any type of digital invitations, and I'm going to be showing you the platform in which you can create such invitations. And like I mentioned, you will be able to create some birthday invitations, wedding invitations. The type of invitations depends on you, of course. So let's get started. Now, of course, the platform that we will be using is called Canva. Now, why do we use Canva? Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create different types of projects, from presentations to social media, and even edit some videos. And the great thing about Canva also is that it has hundreds and thousands of elements, graphics, videos, photos, all of those stuff you will be able to download or even use within Canva to create an amazing design. So let's demonstrate to you. So first things first, select the search bar over here and simply type invitation. And we will be able to find a lot of different templates as you can see here. So if you click on enter, we will be able to see multiple types of invitation. Earlier, we already saw some birthday invitation on that example, but as you can see, we have all of this invitation. Now, you have two ways to approach this. Either you could get a specific template over here, which you can then modify as your own. For example, this one's over here. Or you could start from scratch by clicking on create blank, which would allow you to create a design absolutely from scratch with all your own ideas, with your creativity, and you could do or design however you would like it to be. Now, the way Canva works is you have over here the left side, you have your tools such as elements, text, brand, uploads, and many more. But the main ones are elements and text. So you have your working station over here. Simply select the color on this left side, top left side beside the position, and you will be able to select the color of your invitation. For example, we have this color over here. But for me personally, I prefer the black color. There we go. And then you have your text over here. You can see that there are different types of font styles that you could choose from. And you can select one of them. Then as you can see, for example, save the date. Then we could actually highlight all of this. But these are separate groups. So let's actually select them individually. Or actually just select them entirely. Then click on the font or text color over here. I prefer the color gold. So let's try and make a color gold over here, a golden color. There we go. Let's change this one as well. And this one as well. So that we have like color gold theme, something like that. And then you can find another font group over here that you really like. For example, let's say we have this one over here. You can drag and drop it or click it. There we go. Then you can simply select the date and type the date that you have. Let's delete the first part for now. Then over here, let's say the date would be 12/17/2023, something like that. Change the color again to our gold color. Then we have like a very simple style with this. Now, of course, we're not done yet. It looks super plain. It's not something amazing yet. So let's actually enlarge this. There we go. Now let's add some things that would actually improve our output. So wait, there we go. Let's lower this onto the top part. Here you go. Let's lower the size. There we go. Then let's go to elements. This is like the main part of Canva that I really like. You can simply search for elements that you want. So let's say gold elements, because that's the goal or like the output that I'm trying to produce. And as you can see, you have graphics or photos. Let's go ahead and click on graphics. And as you can see, there will be multiple types of graphics available for us to use. As you can see here, we have a very simple graphic right there. And you could even add this. Let's say, let's do this. Put it on the top. There we go. Let's position it to the back. It's a bit hard to see now, so let's delete this part. Let's move it around, or we could also change the transparency to make it more transparent, something like that. And you could add more elements to improve the texture or the depth of our output. There we go. Then let's add another one. Let's actually flip it this time. And there we go. Now let's say this is our design. As it is, it's perfectly fine, of course, but in an invitation, there would be more information like venue, date, who is inviting, all of those stuff. You can simply use the text element over here to add the necessary information that you need by simply typing it just like that. You could say birthday, something like that. Invitation. Then you could download this. Assuming this is our output over here, you could print the invitation if you want, as you can see here. Or you can click on share. Then you can download it. You can download it as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or PDF print. And then after that, you can simply upload it on Etsy and start selling your design. But in Etsy, I suggest that you create multiple types of design. For example, here we have like a birthday theme with a black and gold theme. So you should make multiple types of designs over here with the same theme so that you have a higher chance of selling a product. Now, this one is a design that we got from the templates. You can also use this design to simply customize it. You can see this is the design. Now you can simply change the elements, change the photo, change the background if you want. Make sure that the design is not completely copied from scratch, or rather entirely. So for example, we could have like a white background instead. Then we could delete that one. And you could have another type of background if you want. Simply search the element. So the same concept, you will be able to upload an image. The upload an image is simply going to use the upload section over here, or you can drag and drop an image that you have into your output, so something like this. And you could also use other types. You can see there will be multiple types of options. You will have a lot of options to use and deal with. So the choice is completely up to you. And when you upload it, hopefully you will be able to get a lot of sales with the invitation that you will be creating. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.